In today's video, let's talk about how to fix Shein or Temu package stuck in transit. Now, if you come across this issue inside of Temu or Shein, where the product that you purchase is still stuck in transit, there are a few things that you can do. The first thing you need to do is identify the local carrier and track them. Once your package enters a stock stage, that may be because it has been handed over to the domestic courier. So in this situation, what you need to do is open up the My Orders section, and you'll be able to see the exact tracking number that could be revealed inside of this section. Copy the tracking number, and if you see a local courier being displayed, you'll be able to contact them directly offline. So this is the first way that you can solve this issue. Secondly, what you can do is contact the customer service of Shein or Temu. So just head over to your profile section, and you simply need to get in contact with the customer support of Temu or Shein. Once you get to the customer support, you need to exactly mention the issue that you're facing. If none of these solutions are working out for you, you can request a refund or return the particular item. So you can just head over to the view all section again, tap on the item that you're trying to return, and then complete the process by exactly mentioning the situation that you're in, so that you can get a full refund of this particular product. So these are the three things that you can try out in order to fix the Shein or Temu package stuck in transit. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next video.